my name's April. I am here at the Roswell location, and today we are going to talk about some easy care houseplants. So these are going to be a great option for anybody who doesn't have a lot of time and needs a plant that's going to be easy to take care of, or if you are just getting started with houseplants. So the first one that I have here, this is a Sansevieria. It also goes by the name mother-in-law's tongue or a snake plant. It's very similar to a succulent that you don't have to water it very often. It can go in low to medium light, and like I said, you very rarely have to water it, only every few weeks or so. So this is a really great option to add some color, add some height, and again, very easy to take care of. The next one is going to be a pothos, and these come in a lot of different color varieties, lots of different like lime green, dark green, even some white ones. It's a great plant because these lines come out and it hangs down, so it's really beautiful in like a hanging basket if you have a nice corner where you can hang something up in your house. Very easy to take care of. You water it as soon as the soil gets dry, and then you just let it do its thing from there. The next plant that I have for you is a ZZ plant. So these are they're very similar to the Sansevieria, where they need very, very, very little water. You're only going to water it maybe once a month or so. They do get nice and tall, and you're going to have this really pretty dark green foliage. And these can go into low, medium light as well. And the last one I have is an Aglaonema, which definitely gets you the most color out of the ones that I have here for you. You can see these nice pretty reds. You can also get them with pink on them, or even just a solid green if you prefer that look. These can also go low to medium light, kind of like the rest of these, and you just water it as soon as the soil gets dry. So all of these would be a really great option to kind of brighten up your home this time of year. And as always, if you come into the store, we can help you with any of your plant needs. That's it for today. I'll see you next time.